Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shernese and welcome back to Simply Niqua. So today I decided to do a recreation of my own most popular video on my channel, which is this. It's a Ombre Flame Checkered Flag nail tutorial. So it's the most popular. I just want to do something new with that same idea concept. So if you're interested in what I will be doing today for this week's nail tutorial, go ahead, sit back and relax, and while you're at it, if you want to right now, go down below and subscribe to my channel. I don't mind that if you do it right now or wait to the end of the video, just please subscribe. So enough of my chit chat, I am going ahead and get this video started. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. So I'm really excited to recreate my most popular nail video of the flaming checker flag nails that you see here. I'm really excited to recreate it and do something different with it, and hopefully you'll like it too. So to begin with, I applied a white base coat on the full nail of the pinky, and then like a fringe tip half section situation on the wedding finger, index finger, and thumb. And I applied 2 coats of LA Colors Color Craze Energy Source for those nails. So I want the white to really dry because I'm going to do a ombre on top. I'm going to go with the middle finger, and the middle finger I'm going to do a heart. So I took a black, which I use LA Colors Color Craze Circuits, and with a liner brush drawed in a heart in the middle of the nail. I did the heart facing me, then like facing you this time because I just wanted to be like that. So yeah. Then I filled in the tip of the nail black and fixed any lines that if I have to. At this point, I'm deciding all kinds of stuff with this nail. So I decided to not really liking the translucent black. So I took that pink, translucent pink that I used on the other nails and put it right in the middle of the heart. I don't know if I showed it or not, but if you see it pink, that's what I did. And the next thing I did with these nails is applied these green nail jewel beads. So first I decided to do 3 light green nail beads as you see here. But then later on I decided this nail needed a little bit more of greenness. So I took off the middle bead right in the middle and changed it for a darker green nail bead. And it just looks more perfect. At this point, I still left the bottom half that translucent gray, and we're just going to keep going until I tell you when I changed it. So now I'm just going to hop over to the white nails. Now before I start the ombre, on the index finger, wedding finger, and thumb, they're halfway, and I didn't want the color to like dip and dab on the bottom half of the nail. So the bright idea I had was to apply the cuticle guard peel off latex stuff. I decided to put it right under the white section on those 3 nails and let that dry. So then I will be able, when I do the dab sessions, to go over the white line a little bit, and it'll still be fine because that cuticle guard will just peel right off. So now I'm going to start the ombre, and the 2 colors that I use for the ombre is this neon green from LA Colors Color Craze, and it's called Mint, and the yellow that I used that was inspired for this whole nail tutorial, this whole colorway for this nail tutorial, was this color called Upbeat by LA Colors Color Last. And yeah, I just love this yellow. It's very luscious and bright. So I started with my pinky and applied the 2 colors on the makeup sponge wedge, and did the green first and then the yellow on the bottom, and kind of meshed them together in the middle, and then did 2 to 3 dab sessions for each ombre on the pinky, and then the wedding finger, index, and thumb. Once I was all happy with the ombre that I did, it was time to go off to the next crazy part. So I took the black, the LA Colors Color Craze circuits, and I started with the pinky and applied some vertical lines down the nail and then some horizontal lines on the nail as well. And I did that for the wedding finger, index finger, and thumb before I filled in the square boxes. Once I carefully did all those lines on all of those nails, I was then ready to fill in the boxes like a checkerboard, so every other one will be black. So that's what I did for those nails as well and filled them all in. And I eventually did 2 coats for each box, so the black is nice and opaque.
Do is drive around aimlessly trying to forget.
So before I move on, this is the time where I decided to want to get rid of that translucent black that I put in on the middle finger, bottom half of the nail. So I thought I do have some translucent yellow and a translucent green, so I applied that on that section, and I did that little section there, and you might see it in the video from now on. So this is the point where I changed it. Now I took that black again, the LA Colors Color Craze circuits, and like I said, that white section that you kind of a little bit see from when I peeled the cuticle guard off, I am now going to seal that all in with black, and you won't see nothing. So with the liner brush, I lined right under that, and then a little bit ways underneath, I drawed another little line with the liner brush of that black to give the nails a little bit more detail. So now I thought the black should have some little bit of glitter, a little bit of something, and to make it a little bit different, so I decided to put some glitter on top of here, some black glitter, and I applied Sinfulcolors Professional Starry Night onto each square on the checkerboard nails, which is the pinky and then the top parts of the wedding finger, index finger, and thumb.
Trying to find more ways to rebel, with a foot on the pedal, eyes to the sky. We're gonna fuck it up tonight. I'm sorry that you're not who I wanna.
And this whole time I was doing my nails, I was debating of doing this a full matte design again or have it glossy, and I was going back and forth, but at the end of the day I decided to make it all glossy and apply my favorite glossy top coat, which I used the Pro Effects Quick Dry High Gloss Top Coat onto all of the nails. This is how my neon checkered flag heart nails came out.
Cause it's midnight.
I am very proud of myself for this week's nail tutorial, just so you know. This came out really great. Neon ombre checkered flag heart design I just did, like this was pretty cool. I loved it. I just like doing nails, and I like this style that I just did. Go down below, give me some comments. Did you like this nail tutorial that I did this week of the checkered flag look again, or did you like my older one? Please go down below and tell me. I would like to know. Or do you like both? Tell me. So thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you continue watching my other videos that I have at the end of the video and down in the description box. Please check them out. But other than that, before you go, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you forgot to do that at the beginning. Go ahead and like this video if you really did like this nail tutorial. Go ahead and give me a like. Please log in to YouTube and give me a like, and also just thank you so much for watching and making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. Until next week with another nail tutorial. Bye!